Give a big round of applause. Welcome, ma'am. Welcome. On the behalf of yeah, on the behalf of School of Legal Studies, Om Sterling Global University, I, Jyoti Kamal Handa, Assistant Professor, School of Legal Studies, welcome you all on the occasion of inaugural ceremony of Second International Moot Court Competition. It's a celebration of art of argumentation and the pursuit of justice through reasoned discourse. My first and foremost duty to welcome our guest and judge of today's preliminary session, Senior Advocate Rita Nagpalji. Welcome you, ma'am, and with her, Assistant Professor from CR Law College, Jyoti ma'am is with us. Welcome you, ma'am. Big give round of applause to you. And with us, online judges, Dr. Anand Pandey, Director, Legal Airport Economic Regulatory Authority of India, and Advocate Urvashi Sharma. I welcome you all. Our dignitaries from OAGU, Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor N.P. Kaushik Sir, our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Rajendra Chilla Sir, welcome Sir, Registrar Sir Vinod, Dr. Vinod Kumar Ji, HOD, SLS, Advocate Neeraj Taneja Sir. Welcome you, all of you. Give a big round of applause. ये तो मुझे कहना ही नहीं चाहिए है, right? Before starting the proceeding, I would like to reveal the journey to become Om Sterling Global University. It was year 2008 when OITM, Om Institute of Technology and Management, was established with the vision of providing quality education to the depriving society of nearby areas. The institute was started with only two courses, that is BTech and MBA. With the progressing time, the OITM was converted into OGI, Om Group of Institutions with various courses. In year 2019, by the grace and blessings of Ma Saraswati, these efforts of OGI has taken a big leap in the form of Om Sterling Global University. It is basically a dream which has been dreamed by visionary leaders under the purview of superb leadership of global visionary doctor and educationist inspiring millions Dr. Puneet Goyal ji and source of inspiration Dr. Poonam Goyal ji. So please bigger hand to our visionary leaders. Today we are gathered here to mark the beginning of an intellectually stimulating journey where legal minds will engage in rigorous debates and advocacy. Now, first, we have started with Goddess Saraswati, glory to you. I request you all judges and dignitaries for the invocation of Ma Saraswati. O Goddess Saraswati, glory to you. You are a treasure of good deeds, the goddess of wisdom, language, music, art, and force of desire. It's our holy tradition to worship. Jyotiman, please साथ में आइए. It's our holy tradition to worship Goddess Saraswati. So I request all the dignitaries to pay tribute to Ma Saraswati and grace the ritual by enlighten our lives. Anand Pandit sir, please turn on your camera if possible. Dr. Urvashi ma'am, please. Thank you, sir. Urvashi ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
सर सर एक बार ये ठीक करना शायद मेरा हाथ लगा
A moot court is a simulated court proceedings where law students argue hypothetical cases before judges, usually based on real legal issues. It allows students to practice and demonstrate their advocacy skills, legal reasoning, and knowledge of law in a controlled environment. Moot court competitions often involve teams of students representing opposing sides of a case, presenting oral arguments, responding to questions from judges, and submitting written briefs. These competitions are an integral part of legal education and help the students to develop crucial skills for their careers as attorneys or legal professionals. In Om Sterling Global University, first moot court competition held online due to COVID pandemic, and after this, we have conducted Parliamentary Day in which Dr. Kiran Betiji was invited as a chief guest. Today, we are conducting second international moot court competition. Now, I would like to invite Advocate Neeral Taneja, HOD SLS, to welcome address of the judges.
Before welcoming, it's a tradition of Om Sterling Global University that we honored our guests with a plant. So I would request to our volunteers, please present, and I would request to our VC sir and PVC sir, please present a plant to our chief guest. As a symbol of greenery, as a symbol of gratitude and respect. जोरदार तालियां. Thank you very much, sir. I also welcome Dr. Anand Palji and Advocate Urvashi Sharma. Virtually, they are with us. On behalf of Om Sterling Global University, this is Neeraj Taneja. हाँ ज्योति मैम आइए प्लीज आ जाइए एक बार पुनः जोरदार तालियां as a token of respect and gratitude. Thank you very much, sir. You can take your seat now. Thank you. On behalf of Om Sterling Global University, this is Neeraj Taneja from School of Legal Studies. Privileged to welcome you all on the occasion of inaugural session of second international MOOT competition. Adar, Abhinandan or Abha. And first and foremost, duty to welcome our guest of honors and judges as well for the event as well. Dr. Anand Palji, Director, Legal Airports, Economic Regulatory Authority of India. Advocate Rita Nagpal, Senior Advocate District and Session Court, Sisar, on this. And Advocate Urvashi Sharma, Advocate in Saket Court, New Delhi. Dignitaries from OSU, our respected Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. N.P. Kaushik ji, Pro Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. Rajinder Singh Chillar ji. All the deans from respective schools, distinguished guests, esteemed faculty members from law schools and all the enthusiastic law students gathered here today. This competition serve as a, please keep quiet here. This competition serve as a remarkable platform for all the law students to showcase their legal acumen, research skills, and most importantly, their passion for advocacy. The courtroom may seem daunting, but through moods, you get a taste of the real world. The thrill of presenting arguments, the art of persuasion, and the importance of uploading the law. Today, we are thrilled to welcome almost 12 teams from various universities and institutions to the participants. I commend your dedication and hard work in preparing for this competition. Remember, this is not just about winning or losing. It's about honing your legal skills, learning from your peers, and fostering a spirit of healthy competition. I would also like to extend a special thanks to our esteemed judges who have graciously agreed to lend their expertise and experience to this event. Your presence is invaluable and your feedback will be instrumental in the growth of these aspiring legal minds. As we embark on this exciting journey, let the competition be a testament to intellectual powers, critical thinking, and commitment to the principle of justice. May the best arguments prevail. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, today, it's a great pleasure for all of us that Dr. Anand Pandeyji, BE, LLB, ME, LLM, MBA, PhD Law, is with us. Director, Law, Airport Economic Regulatory Authority of India, former Deputy Director, Regulation, DGCA, former Assistant Director General of Shipping, DG Shipping, Government of India, former Examiner of Trademark and Geographical Indications, former Assistant Professor Law, Uttaranchal University, expertise in IPR, commercial laws, shipping laws, aviation laws, service laws, competition law. Give a big round of applause that he is with us today. We are so grateful for your gracious presence, sir. I kindly request to you, please offer a few words of wisdom for all of us, for our students, for participants, and for all the students. Please, sir, welcome, sir.
Thank you. Thank you for this very big introduction. First of all, respected VC sir, pro VC sir, university officials, dignitaries, other co-judges of the competition, uh, dear contestants, students, ladies and gentlemen. I hope I am audible. Can anyone confirm I am audible?
Sir, am I audible to you?
Yeah, you are audible to me. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so then I will continue. Uh, First of all, I thank the management of the university who has given me this opportunity to be associated with this moot court competition. And being throughout in my life, being student of law, I would like to give the confidence of the student of law that in any manner, maybe in any manner, but you have landed up in the best profession of the world, whether by desire or by choice or by compulsion. What I want to point out is by any manner you have chosen the best profession of the world. And why? Because the legal profession does not give the person who is of this profession, maybe lawyer, maybe law officer somewhere, maybe teacher, he may be donning any role anytime, but he is the instrument of social transformation. When you see the history, and particularly the history of Indian constitution, which has shaped the country the way it is looking today, you will find that the primarily this whole work has been done by lawyers or persons who had the expertise in law. So, my dear friends, rest assured you are in best profession of the world. Now, what you have to do is you have to hone your skill. You have to sharpen your skill. So, when I say skill, the knowledge becomes the essential ingredient of the skill. So there are many ways to acquire the knowledge. One of the way that you are attending to your classes where the teachers imparts specific knowledge of a specific subject, and then you put in your own effort and learn that aspect. The second aspect of skill is practice. So I am sure your teachers must be imparting the best knowledge to you in classrooms. Now your role for your practice during the academic period, this aspect is covered through these competitions, these moot court exercises and debates. So these are the elements through which you hone your practical skill. So I hope the contestant today who are participating in this moot court competition, they have got a good platform to showcase their practical skills which they have acquired. And though the problem is hypothetical, and in the moot courts are aimed firstly to inculcate the capacity of identifying the issue involved in any problem, then developing their own arguments for establishing their own point of view in respect of that problem, and then even if the exercise of role reversal is given, then developing the counter arguments. In law, the my fellow advocates who are there in the panel of judges, they must be playing the role of devil's advocate whenever they are faced with any case. So devil advocate is a role where you think you develop the arguments of other advocates who are opposite to you, and skill that skill gives you immense potential to sharpen your own arguments. So moot court is a platform where not only you get to practice how to develop your own argument, but you also get to practice the role of devil advocate also. So I hope you all must have prepared very well. I wish all the contestants very well. And again want to reassure the students of law that, my dear friends, you are in the best profession of law. Feel confident, do hard work, give your best, and excel in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request our Pro-Chancellor, Sir, Dr. Rajendra Singh Chilarji, for a few words. Please, sir.
Very good morning to all of you. Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, Dr. N.P. Kaushik ji, Madam Advocate, Honorable Judge, Advocate Rita Nagpal ji, Dr. Jyoti, and Honorable Judge Dr. Anand Pandey ji, and Honorable Judge Advocate Urvashi Sharma, who are online with us, Dr. Advocate Neeraj Taneja ji, HOD Legal Studies, all the 12 teams participants, faculty members of the School of Legal Studies, dear students, ladies and gentlemen, very good morning to all of you. And it is a moment of great pride for all of us that today we are celebrating this second international moot court competition being organized by School of Legal Studies, OSGU. So first of all, I take this opportunity to welcome our guests, especially Advocate Rita Nagpal, who is from Hisar, and also Dr. Jyoti, who is also from Hisar. And I also welcome our online judges who are with us online, Dr. Anand Pandey ji and Advocate Urvashi Sharma ji. On behalf of OSGU family and all the teachers and students of Legal Studies, School of Legal Studies, we welcome you all, madam and sirs. You are most welcome that you accepted our request to be part of this moot court competition. Dear friends, nowadays we are passing through the world of technologies, digital India, and I always take this opportunity that in most of the institutions we focus on the theories mostly, but practical is less important. We give less importance to the practicals. So this moot court is an opportunity for the students, for the participants to be having more exposure for practical. As earlier speakers have explained the importance of moot court competition, that here students learn, participants learn how to defend the case. Though these cases are not real one, but definitely we have the exposure how to speak in the favor of this or how to speak in the opposite of this. So definitely it will be a great advantage for the students, for the participants. And nowadays we have lot of technologies are there, number of technologies are there. And whenever more technology are, more crimes are also there. Especially this internet, mobile phones, cyber crimes, you are aware. A lot of crimes are being there. As protection is better than cure. यदि ये क्राइम्स ना हो तो हमें जजेस की जरूरत ही नहीं है. No need of police, no need of judges. But crimes are increasing, we need of judges. Okay. And judges are like God. जैसे डॉक्टर्स एंड जजेस बोथ आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोफेशंस. जज को भी भगवान मानते हैं, डॉक्टर को भी भगवान मानते हैं. दोनों ही लाइफ को सेव करते हैं. डॉक्टर इन डिफरेंट वे, जज इन ए डिफरेंट वे. But things are now being diluted nowadays. So I request all you budding judges that we should be fair in our judgment. We should go to the depth of the case. And as per the Constitution of India, we should give our verdict. Because society progress depends on the importance of judges, importance of this Constitution. But sometimes कुछ सुनने को मिलता है कि ये हुआ है, जजमेंट लाइक दिस हुआ है, तो दैट इज नॉट गुड. सेकंड, वी शुड यूज टेक्नोलॉजी. Simulation tools are there. Lot of simulation tools are available. Lot of other tools are available. So we can use those technologies in our legal profession also. By use of internet, computers, we can make our profession in a more strong way. In a more technical way, we can use these things and we can save our time and we can be more efficient. Today we are organizing this MOOT court competition and this day is very important today. Today is also World Earth Day. And also we have today World Innovation and Creativity Day. So dear friends, our work, अर्थ, धरती माता, इसको भी हमें बचाना है. आज इसकी इंपॉर्टेंस है इस डे की. सबसे पहले जो हमारा गार्बेज है उसको हमें प्रॉपरली मैनेज करना है. इसको साफ सुथरा रखना है अपने अर्थ को. ठीक है, ये भी हमें आज प्लेज लेनी है. दूसरा, जो गार्बेज का कलेक्शन है उससे जो ज्यादा डेंजरस है वो हमारा इंटरनल फीलिंग्स है. If you are not good from here, if garbage here, we cannot do anything. So please keep your mind clean. Okay, अर्थ को तो clean रखना है physically, but if we clean this side, our CPU is clean, a lot of problems can be solved. Okay, so we take this opportunity today that we have to follow these things and use the technology. And we must have the good knowledge of our Constitution, because legal profession depends upon the knowledge of Constitution. If you have good knowledge, you can give your judgment in a more better way. So I hope that this competition, MOOT court competition, will be very useful, will be very beneficial for the participants, for the students, and they will learn a lot. This is a 2 days MOOT court competition, today and tomorrow. And the proceedings will be very useful for all of you, for the especially the participants. And as the advocate Neeraj Taneja ji told, that winning is a different thing. Win and defeat. We should participate the things so that we can learn a lot. Okay. So once again, I welcome all our dignitaries, all our guests, especially Madam Rita Nagpal ji, and our online Dr. Jyoti also, and online Dr. Anand Pandey ji and Advocate Urvashi Sharma ji, that they accepted our invitation and spare their valuable time and grace the occasion. Thank you very much to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I would like to request our Vice Chancellor, Sir, Dr. N.P. Koshiki, for few words to our students, our volunteers. Please welcome. Give a big round of applause to all.
Thank you, Dr. Jyoti. Good morning. Good morning, budding lawyers. थोड़ी तो आवाज आनी चाहिए, नाश्ता तो करके आए होंगे. Good morning. Now it appears that you are ready. So it is a matter of great pleasure for us that today we are organizing the second international moot court competition in our university, and on this occasion it is our great pleasure and proud that the very learned professionals of this field are our guests, particularly chief guest of this inaugural session, Rita Nagpal ji. He is a very senior advocate in Hisar, and she has more than 30 years of experience. So it is really our pleasure that she is gracing this occasion, and definitely our students will be benefited by her presence and her blessings. Similarly, you have heard about our other two guests, Dr. Anand Pandeji, who has very rich experience in the administrative side as well as in legal side. You have heard his designations. He has headed many organizations, and presently also he is working with Airport Authority. So here also really it is proud for us that he is with us as a guest as well as the judge of the competition. We also welcome Ms. Urvashi, who is from Saket Court, and really we are honored with the presence of all these three judges and the guest of this competition. For all the professional, whether you are pursuing the law profession or engineering profession, medical, pharmacy profession, actually at the institute level, we have to prepare and train the professional in such a way that when they really go to their job, they feel themselves very competent and very confident, and they can discharge their duties to their jobs perfectly and effectively. Similarly, the moot court competition is also one of the way by which our law professionals are trained, that how actually they have to present themselves in a real court situation, and how they have to become a successful lawyer. You know that in the moot court competition, you are given a problem that may be fictitious, but it gives you training for the real cases. Actually, when you have to go for the moot court exercise, you have to prepare yourself. And there are many components of preparation for this, and which are also applicable to a real lawyer profession also. So, first and foremost is the research about the case. So, you have to find the facts about your case so that you can show the legality of the case before the judge. And after making research, you are supposed to make the brief notes about your case so that the things can be presented in a systematic manner or in effective manner. And other thing is that you have to present the arguments before the honorable judge. So there are a mannerism of the court in which you have to present the arguments. And when you are presenting the arguments, these arguments will be, should be supported by constitutional provisions. They should be very precise, and there should be a clarity in your argument. Because if you feel that if you give a long speech in the court, nobody is going to hear, because you know that there are a large number of cases pending in the courts. So it is very much necessary that we must be very precise in presenting our things, our facts. Then only you can become a very successful lawyer, or you can win the competition also. Though looking to this situation, this moot court has been kept as a part of the curriculum of the law education. And I would suggest all the students who are pursuing their profession of the law, they must take it very seriously, because this is for one semester you have to do, and every week when this exercise is done, you should make really the preparation, because this gives you the ability, competence, and confidence when you will go to the actual lawyer profession. And when you are pursuing this law profession, you are required to uh, certain skills which will help you in getting the success. And what are those skills may be, as these have been discussed by our previous speakers also. You must have a good analytical and research ability so that you can analyze the facts and you can present them in the context in which you are fighting your case. Then your language should be in the persuasive manner. You must have organizational skills. You must have time management skills also. And it is also very important that you have interpersonal skills. It is important because the lawyer has to deal with a large variety of the clients. Your clients may be from rural area and your clients may be from urban area. They may be very educated or they may be very illiterate also. So in any way, you are supposed to support your client. Your client is most important for you. So therefore, these interpersonal skills are very, very important. And not only client, you have to deal with your fellow colleagues, you have to deal with the honorable judge, you have to deal with the staff which is working in the court. So when we are dealing with different persons, these dealings are in different manners. So therefore, you have to learn these interpersonal skills. As Dr. Chiller also said that now the technical skills are also very important. So during your course, you should also learn about the computers, IT applications, because nowadays you can see that your course have been digitalized, and you have also to manage your activity with the IT applications. So it is also important that you learn these things. अब ये ऐसा नहीं है कि हम जो है कंप्यूटर को छोड़ दें और हमारा प्रोफेशन जो है उसको हम फॉलो करें, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ लें, लेकिन उसके साथ में ये भी जरूरी है कि आप कंप्यूटर और आईटी एप्लीकेशंस को भी उसी तरीके से सीखें. And most important thing which I would like to suggest for the success of this profession, that you must have patience, right? Sometimes we see that soon after the completion of our degree, LLB, or if you even complete your LLM, we see that we will become a very good lawyer. I can tell you that in one day it is not possible. If you keep a dream in your mind that you have to become Harish Salve, you have to become Ram Jethmalani, or you have to become Singhvi. So you have to keep the patience. I can tell you the practical thing that initially for a few years, when you are associated with a senior advocate, हो सकता है कि उसमें शुरू में आपको कुछ टाइम तक खाली फाइलें उठानी पड़े और उनका बस्ता ही उठाना पड़े, लेकिन अगर ये भी सिचुएशन है तो आपको उसको भी मतलब जो है बियर करना है. यहाँ फाइलें उठाने से मतलब ये है कि आप उन फाइलों को स्टडी भी कर सकते हैं, उनको आप पढ़ सकते हैं और अपनी नॉलेज को जो है गेन कर सकते हैं. इन short, if you have patience, then definitely you can become a good lawyer. And one more suggestion, that you have to become a successful lawyer, not the bad liar. You have to understand between these two words. Many times we feel that if we are liar, then we can be a good lawyer. But it is not possible. Ultimately, in life, you will find that the truth prevails. तो हमेशा मतलब इस चीज का ध्यान रखें और कोशिश करें कि एक अच्छे प्रोफेशन को आप फॉलो करें. So I am really very happy that the team of legal studies under the leadership of Advocate Neeraj Taneja ji has made very sincere efforts from a long time, and they have planned this activity, and now they have successfully organized also. So I congratulate Neeraj Taneja ji, Kesav ji, Kush ji, Dr. Jyoti, and all other teammates who have actually made their contribution in making this event successful. I also congratulate the teams who have come over here from the different parts of the country and participating in this competition. And definitely two of the team will go to the final, first and second. So I congratulate them also. I appreciate all the legal students who are sitting here. Without their presence and without their contribution, it is not possible that we can organize any such successful event. So I am thankful to all of you also. And at the last, once again, I am thankful to our honorable guests and judges, Rita Nagpal ji, Pandey ji, and Ushi ji. So thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. It is great honor and privilege that Senior Advocate Rita Nagpalji is with us today as a judge. Ma'am, your presence here today truly signifies your support and encouragement towards the event. About Rita Nagpalji, practicing since 30 years, conducting civil, criminal, amnesty, matrimonial cases, also working for different institutions and marketing committee, agriculture board, ICICI Lombard, United India Insurance Company, and many more. Ma'am, I kindly request you to join us on stage and share your insights with us. Let's give a big round of applause for Senior Advocate Rita Nagpal.
Honorable worthy Vice Chancellor Dr. N.P. Kaushik ji, Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Rajendra Singh Chillar ji, Mr. Neeraj Taneja, Dr. Jyoti Bura, and my co-judges Dr. Anand Pandey and Urvishi Sharma ji. Thank you for inviting me. ये मूट कोर्स के बारे में मैं पहले कुछ बोलना चाहूंगी. मूट कोर्स मेरे हिसाब से बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है जिसमें आने वाले एडवोकेट्स अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर पाएंगे कि उनके अंदर क्या थॉट्स हैं किसी को केस को प्रेजेंट करने के लिए. कुछ टिप्स हैं एक अच्छे एडवोकेट्स के लिए कि आपको जो आपके अंदर आपको केस जब प्रेजेंट करना है तो एक क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन एक आर्ट है. हाउ टू क्रॉस एग्जामिन. तो कोई भी केस आप प्रेजेंट करेंगे क्रॉस उसको अच्छे से आप प्रिपेयर करेंगे. कैसे क्रॉस एग्जामिन करना है. अगर आप किसी क्रिमिनल केस में आप क्रॉस एग्जामिन कर रहे हैं तो आपको जहां पे क्राइम हुआ है क्राइम में साइट प्लान साथ में अटैच होता है. आप उस साइट प्लान को देखेंगे. आप मौके पे पहुंचेंगे कि मौके पे पहुंचने के बाद आप फील करेंगे कि उस एफआईआर को पढ़ेंगे. क्राइम स्टोरी आपके दिमाग में प्रिंट हो जाएगी. फिर आप जज कर पाएंगे उस सीन को कि कैसे क्राइम हुआ होगा. तो फिर उसको क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम आप यूज करेंगे उसको. और एट द टाइम ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हमें सामने ऑनरेबल जज को देखना है कि वो क्या पसंद कर रहे हैं. लंबी आर्ग्यूमेंट पसंद कर रहे हैं या शॉर्ट में. उनके नेचर को देखो. आप अपना कोई पॉइंट रखते हैं एट द टाइम ऑफ आर्ग्यूमेंट. आप उनकी लैंग्वेज आईज में देख के बात करें और देखें कि वो क्या पसंद कर रहे हैं. क्या आप जिस पॉइंट पे आप आर्गुमेंट वो पसंद कर रहे हैं उस पॉइंट को आप रिपीट करेंगे शुरू में एक बार बीच में फिर लास्ट में. तो आप देखेंगे कि ऑनरेबल कोर्ट को वो चीज पसंद आ रही है तो उसे हम उस तरीके से प्रेजेंट करेंगे. उसके बाद क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम जो हम तैयारी करेंगे उसमें स्पेसिफिक हमें देखना है कि हमें सबसे पहले आने वाले विटनेस को किस तरह से क्रॉस एग्जामिन स्टार्ट करना है. उसकी बैकग्राउंड के बारे में हम उनसे पूछेंगे. फिर हम क्राइम सीन पे जाएंगे. क्राइम सीन पे जाने के बाद हम ये उससे कौन कैसे था कौन कौन प्रेजेंट था. कई सारे फैक्टर्स हैं जिनको आप क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन के टाइम पहुंचेंगे. तभी पहुंच पाएंगे जब आप क्राइम सीन पे जाएंगे. आप अपने आप को फील करो कि आप एज ए आई विटनेस उस क्राइम सीन पे आप मौजूद थे. इतना उस फाइल को बार बार स्टडी करोगे तब जाके पहुंचोगे कि हाँ ऐसा लगने लग जाएगा आपको बाद में, हम तो क्राइम सीन पे प्रेजेंट थे। और जब आप एडवोकेट बन के कोर्ट में आएंगे, सबसे पहले आप में पेशेंस बहुत होनी जरूरी है। आप आते ही, जब मैं एडवोकेट बनी थी मैं भी यही सोचती थी कि पता नहीं कोर्ट में आते ही मैं क्या ही कर दूंगी, लेकिन 1 साल एज ए प्रैक्टिस अपने सीनियर के साथ करने के बाद महसूस हुआ कि मुझे पेशेंस रखनी है। 4-5 साल लग जाएंगे, लेकिन उसमें पेशेंस रखनी है अगर आप अच्छे एडवोकेट बनना चाहते हैं। और सीनियर के साथ आपको काम कैसे करना है, ये कोई अब स्कूल तो होगा नहीं, कॉलेज नहीं है कि आपकी रोज क्लास लगेगी। आपको देखना है आपके सीनियर क्या स्टडी कर रहे हैं, आप उनके शाम को ऑफिस में जाओगे, आपको फाइल्स देखनी है, जो कल में फाइल जाने वाली है उसको आप आज पढ़ेंगे, उसकी तैयारी करेंगे उस केस की। उसके बाद आपको सीनियर से वर्क को स्नैच करना आना चाहिए। आप पहले 1 वीक पहले कहेंगे कि इस आर्गुमेंट्स को मैं प्रिपेयर करूंगा, उस केस से रिलेटेड आप लो पॉइंट्स चूज करेंगे, आप लो पॉइंट्स स्टडी करेंगे कि अपने ओपिनियंस दे सीनियर को कि क्या इस केस में ऐसे हो सकता है, क्या इसमें हम ये ऐड कर सकते हैं, क्या हम इसमें ये पॉइंट ले सकते हैं। तो उस चीज को आप फाइल को स्टडी करोगे तभी आप उसको कर पाओगे। सेकेंडली, ये तो हो गई प्रैक्टिस की बातें। हाउ टू प्रोक्योर द वर्क, आपको वर्क प्रोक्योर करना है कैसे। आप एडवोकेट आए हो, आपको नहीं जानता कोई, आपको वर्क लेना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है। एक दिन आपको इंडिपेंडेंट एज एन एडवोकेट अपना चैम्बर में बैठोगे, क्लाइंट्स को डील करोगे, तो उसके लिए आपका सोशल सर्कल होना जरूरी है। सोशल सर्कल के बाद आपको इंस्टीट्यूशन से, एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन से, कंपनी से, बैंक से, उनमें आप अपना ट्राई करोगे तो आप वर्क को प्रिक्योर कर पाओगे। नेक्स्ट, आपके पास किस किस तरह के क्लाइंट्स आएंगे। काफी अच्छी फैमिली से भी आएंगे, पढ़े लिखे होंगे, कुछ पुअर फैमिली से भी आएंगे। तो आप सबसे वो उम्मीद नहीं रख सकते कि आपको वो उतना ही पे करेंगे। तो जो कुछ अपना दिल बड़ा भी रखना है, जो कुछ पुअर पीपल आएंगे, गरीब फैमिली से होंगे, फाइनेंशियली इतने अच्छे नहीं है, तो हमें उनको हेल्प भी करना है। अब मेरे ऑफिस में काफी ऐसे क्लाइंट्स आते हैं, बाई चांस पता नहीं वाइफ्स ऐसी हैं या क्या है, तो मेरी जूनियर्स कहती हैं, क्या है मैम, हमारे चैम्बर में तो बड़े सारे आते हैं, इनको कैसे खुशबू आ जाती है कि मैम मान जाएंगी कम फीस के लिए। तो ये अपना दिल बड़ा रखना है। प्रैक्टिस एक, अगर हम इसको माने कि हम अर्निंग के लिए ही बैठे हैं, तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप थोड़ा सा सॉफ्ट हार्टेड भी रहें। बहुत लोग आते हैं जिनको न्याय की जरूरत है, लेकिन वो फाइनेंशियली इतना वो नहीं है, तो उनको हम हेल्प भी करें। फ्री लीगल एड देने का हमारे यहाँ इंस्टीट्यूशंस भी हैं फ्री लीगल एड की, बट कहीं वहां उनको नॉलेज नहीं होती। तो हमारे ऑफिस में कोई आया है तो हमें उनकी हेल्प भी करनी चाहिए। कहते हैं ना, हमें अच्छे कर्म करने के लिए, अगर हम एक ऑफिस में बैठे हैं, हम एडवोकेट हैं, तो हमें अच्छा कर्म करने के लिए कहीं दूर जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। कोई हेल्प के लिए हमारे चैम्बर में, हमारे ऑफिस में ही आ गया, हम वहां बैठे बैठे हेल्प कर सकते हैं। तो एक एडवोकेट एक नोबल प्रोफेशन है जिसमें हम बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने समाज के लिए, आने वाली जनरेशन के लिए उनको गाइड कर सकते हैं। एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है हमारी सोसाइटी में कि हम उनको हेल्प करें और जस्टिस दिलवाने में उनकी मदद करें। और इसके अलावा आपको मूट कोर्स जो आइडिया है वो बहुत अच्छा है। हमारे टाइम में ऐसा नहीं था कि हम ऐसे इसको प्रेजेंट कर पाए केसेस को, तो आप इसमें आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा इसको कैसे प्रेजेंट करना है। आई होप सारे बच्चे बहुत तैयारी करके आए हैं, तो विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now Now, Advocate Urvashi Sharma, practicing in Delhi, she also judged in different moot court competitions in Amity University. Also co-author of Blue Star, Natal, and other publications. In 2024, she secured 58th rank among 1,000 poets in WWF building. Congratulations, ma'am. It's a great pleasure for all of us. I would like to request you, please say a few words of wisdom.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, ma'am, you are audible.
Namaste. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Advocate Urvashi Sharma, and I think I am the youngest judge in the judges panel right now. Um, I want to thank Om Sterling Global University Hisar for inviting me to judge the second international moot court competition. I would express my immense Vice Chancellor, sir, Mr. M.P. Kaushik, sir, Honorable Pro Vice Chancellor, sir, the School of Legal Studies to organize this prestigious event under the guidance of under the guidance of Advocate Dheeraj Taneja, sir. I would express my immense gratitude, and it's my honor to hear and to be part and to share the bench with the chief guest, who is the Honorable Advocate Geeta Nagpal, ma'am. It's my honor to hear you, and it's my honor to be part of today organization where you are inviting as a chief guest, ma'am. My good wishes to all the team members who are participating today from the different parts of country, to all the dignitaries, faculty members, legal students who are appearing and participating in the event today. And my special thanks to Dr. Jyoti Ma'am, who has been in association with me since the very first day. Thank you so much for being your kind support towards me, ma'am. Uh, being a judge of moot court, I would say that moot court, in a literal interpretation, is a demo of a real court, where the universities provide the platform to all the legal students, to the judicial aspirants. I would say the UPSC aspirants as well, providing the platform to engage themselves to be part of the real court. Legal profession is the most beautiful profession because here you are the voice for the others. You seek the justice for others, and most importantly, you serve country every second of your breath. It's a very noble profession as well as a responsible profession. If you are responsible enough to take care of others, then go for this profession, as it requires hard work, patience, and most important, it's a game of nerves. As all the dignitaries and all the speakers said, that it requires ability, confidence, and capability. Yes, these are the skills to be part of this profession. Now, I really want to switch to the moot courts. I have been judging the Amity Law University moot courts, national and international moot courts, and I gained a bit of experience where I learned a prestigious involvement of the students and their application of mind towards the legality um, of the moot court problem. It is very important to learn how to use the law along with the facts on the table. It is very important you to understand the essential and the most important vital role which is played by the advocates, or I would say the lawyers uh, in the court, to serve the court and moreover to the society. The biggest skill, I would say, it's been 9 years in the practice, the biggest skill which I learned is time management. आप कोर्ट के लिए तैयार हो सकते हैं, आप आर्गुमेंट्स के लिए तैयार हो सकते हैं, आप हम एक अच्छी सबमिशन के लिए तैयार हो सकते हैं, लेकिन आपका कोर्ट टाइम पे पहुंचना उतना ही जरूरी है. Sometimes you are prepared well, but you miss the court because of your delay practice in reaching court. I would like to end up by saying that not to adapt the old traditional of practice. It is high point that I practice should be solution and result oriented. I am running my law office, which is opposite to the Saket Fort, and that is the goal of my office. That I don't believe in harassing the client. If I don't know how to contest the case, if I don't know how to fight for the client, so I won't take the client in my office. I just say very genuinely that honestly, I don't have the practice of this. This clearly indicates my honesty towards my profession as well as to my clients and the work, because law is a very vast field. If I'm good in recovery, so I may not be good in taxation. So honesty is the best policy. Be honest with your profession. Be honest with your judges, and most importantly, be honest with your clients, to whom you are seeking justice from the court, to whom you are seeking money as well. It's become your responsibility. Be a responsible citizen. Be a responsible lawyer. And moreover, and the most important, end up with the one line that be a good human being. It is the most important thing for one's life, because after COVID, we actually learn the value of life. So be a good human being. You never know when the next wave hit you and you miss something good in your life. So thank you so much for inviting me. I will try my level best to judge the entire the event with a good spirit and on a positive note. Thank you so much. Namaste.
All the researchers, be ready for the researcher test, and our own Sterling Global University volunteers, please see, you have two researcher students जो researcher का test दे रहे हैं. Please stand up. Our volunteers are with us. You have to go in outside the room. Wishes you all the best to all the researchers. Now, as a token of respect, I would like to request our PPC sir, VC sir, HOD sir, please join us on the stage for presenting memento to our judge Rita Nagpalji. Please come. Give a big round of applause. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. On the behalf of School of Legal Studies, Home Sterling Global University, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for gracing us with your presence today. Your support directly and indirectly have truly made this event a memorable one. We are especially grateful to our esteemed Chief Guest or Judge, Senior Advocate Rita Nagpalji, Dr. Anand Pani, Director, Airport Authority of India, Advocate Urvashi Sharma ji, for taking the time to join us and for inspiring us with words of wisdom. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. A special thank you to our dignitaries, PVC sir, for always guiding us. Thank you, sir. VC sir, thank you so much, sir, for guiding us at all the moments. A big thank you to our HOD sir, Advocate Neeraj Taneja, organizing team, Kush sir, Keshav sir, Rohit sir, Kajal Vadwa ma'am, Jyoti Rani ma'am, Aditya, and all the volunteers. Especially thank you to Kuldeep, Sachin, for all the support, for their invaluable contributions and unwavering support throughout the planning and execution of this event. All the teachers, students, and volunteers. Last but not the least, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our IT support team, Hart sir for designing, Sumit sir, Ranjit sir. Thank you all the team and all those behind the scenes who have worked tirelessly to make this event possible. Once again, thank you, all of you, for being a part of Second International Moot Court Competition and have a wonderful day. And अगर कोई रह गया तो मैं दिल की अनंत गहराइयों से माफी चाहूंगी and सभी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Now, it's a time for national anthem. So I would like to request all of you to please stand up for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे